What's the meaning of Captain Kangaroo? Captain Kangaroo. Captain Kangaroo.
Captain Kangaroo. Captain Kangaroo. Captain Kangaroo is a children's television show that aired from 1955 to 1984. The show starred Bob Keeshan as the titular character, Captain Kangaroo, who entertained and educated children with his storytelling, skits, songs, and lessons. The show was known for its whimsical set design, including the treasure house, where children received prizes for correctly answering questions. Captain Kangaroo became an iconic figure in American popular culture, representing a beloved and trusted figure for generations of children who grew up watching the show.